Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the thematic learning 10th grade of vocational high school event semester with the majority Western music history and covering subject in English and cultural art.
Thematic learning purpose. Through the learning model of group investigation. 1. Students can explore information about the history of Western music in groups. 2. Students can make a report with the theme of Western music history in groups. 3. Students can translate the result of Western music history report in English in groups. 4. Students can analyze the structure and linguistic element of simple past tense and present perfect tense in group. In learning Western music history, we use the GI, Group Investigation Model, and go through 7 steps, including Step 1. Presentation of the basic concept. Step 2. The division of heterogeneous groups. Step 3. Learning task and investigation period. Step 4. Making group reports or preparation of information. Step 5. Analyzing the structure of language. Step 6. Preparation of the final report. Step 7. Presentation of GI group and assessment. Now, we are in the Step 1. Presentation of the basic concept of simple past tense and present perfect tense. Simple past tense. Function. To indicate that an activity or situation began and end at a particular time in the past. Jadi, fungsinya adalah mengidentifikasi suatu kegiatan yang sudah lampau dan itu berakhir di waktu itu juga. Time signal. Yesterday, last night, this morning, ago, and etc. Jadi, keterangan waktunya kalian bisa menggunakan yesterday, kemarin, last night, kalian bisa menggantinya dengan last month, last week, last year, and lain-lainnya. Form. Positive sentence. Subject plus verb to plus object. Jadi untuk kalimat positif menggunakan subjek plus verb 2 dan juga objek. For example, contohnya adalah I ate fried chicken yesterday. I menandakan sebagai subjek, ate menandakan sebagai verb to, fried chicken menandakan sebagai objek, yesterday sebagai time signal. Negative sentence. Subject plus did plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Jadi untuk kalimat negatifnya kalian menggunakan subject plus did, kemudian diikuti not, kemudian verb 1, diingat ya, verb 1 kemudian baru object. For example, contohnya, I did not eat fried chicken yesterday. Jadi setelah ada did itu diikuti dengan verb 1, I sebagai subject. Did not itu merupakan rumusnya eat verb 1, kemudian fried chicken sebagai objeknya, kemudian yang terakhir adalah yesterday yaitu sebagai time signal. Next, interrogative sentence. Did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Jadi untuk kalimat tanyanya kalian menggunakan did dulu baru subject, kemudian verb 1 diikuti objek dan jangan lupa tanda tanya. For example, contoh,
Did I eat fried chicken yesterday?
Did ada di awal, kemudian I sebagai subjek,
Kemudian it sebagai verb 1,
fried chicken sebagai objeknya, yesterday sebagai apa? Oke, time signal. Present perfect tense. Function. To describe action that began in the past and continues into the present or has just been complete at the moment of utterance. Jadi untuk fungsinya adalah menyatakan kegiatan yang sudah lampau tetapi kegiatan itu masih terus berlangsung. Time signal. Ever, already, just, yet, for, since, and etc. Jadi untuk keterangan waktunya kalian bisa menggunakan ever, already, just, yet, for, or since. Form. Positive sentence. Subject plus has or have plus verb 3 plus object. Jadi untuk kalimat positif kalian menggunakan subject, kemudian diikuti have atau has, kemudian baru verb 3 dan terakhir ada objeknya. For example, contohnya, we have seen Ali for 2 weeks. We sebagai subjeknya, have otomatis rumusnya, kemudian seen itu adalah verb 3-nya, kemudian Ali sebagai objeknya, terakhir adalah for 2 weeks itu sebagai time signal. Negative sentence. Subject plus have or has plus not plus verb 3 plus object. Jadi kalimat negatif diikuti subject, kemudian baru has atau have, diikuti not, kemudian verb 3 dan object. For example, contohnya, we have not seen Ali for 2 weeks. We sebagai subject, have not itu sudah rumusnya karena kalimat negatif. Seen sebagai verb 3 atau verb 3-nya. Kemudian Ali sebagai objeknya. Dan yang terakhir adalah for 2 weeks. yaitu sebagai time signal. Interrogative sentence, have or has plus subject plus verb 3 plus object. Jadi kalimat tanya itu depannya terlebih dahulu ada has atau have, kemudian subject, kemudian verb 3 dan object. For example, untuk contohnya, have we seen Ali for 2 weeks? Have merupakan rumusnya karena bertemu dengan we sebagai subjeknya, seen sebagai verb 3-nya, Ali sebagai objeknya, for 2 weeks sebagai time signal. Presentation of the next basic concept on 6 topic of Western music history. First, ancient era. Second, Renaissance era. Third, Baroque era. Fourth, Classic era. Fifth, Romantic era. Sixth, Impressionism era. Step 2. You have to create groups with different topic. One group consists of 5 students until 7 students. Step 3. In this step, you are given time to investigate according to the topic of each group. Please choose the leader of group and division of tasks of each member. Step 4. After you get information related to the material in each group, arrange group report well in paper places. Make the paper in Indonesian and in English. Step 5. In this step, all are in groups. You have to analyze the structure of the language and the sentence, that it was simple past tense and present perfect tense. Then, you can write the analyzed result into one report with the paper you made. Step 6. After finishing working on paper report according to their respective topics, please arrange your paper result neatly in the form of hard files. Don't forget to give the name, class, and identity on the cover. Step 7. Finally, at the last step, you must present your paper in the front of the class. The teacher will assess and guide you in this learning. You can express and be as creative as possible in making group papers.
Alright, this is the last thematic learning of Western music history using group investigation learning model. I hope you can get advantages from this learning. English and cultural art are fun. Keep spirit of learning and always creative.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.